afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Fadnavis ji, Honorable Poonam ji, distinguished guests, members of my fraternity, members of the media. I'd like to thank today's organizers, the Global Citizen, for inviting me here today and making me a part of this wonderful and very noble movement. Before I go any further, I'd just like to commit myself yet again towards this very noble cause and say that Mr. Khemka mentioned about opening up the lines for registering this morning at 9 o'clock and took a figure of about 40,000 people. I want to tell you, Mr. Khemka, that amongst those 40,000, I was one of them in this morning. I did go to the section which said action, and I went there, but it didn't tell me what to do. So if you can just advise me what I need to do to be able to win those social currency points so I can have a free ticket to the show, I shall be more than happy to do that. There were many aspects of global citizenship that have been described as far as the journey of this wonderful concept is concerned. And some of them were about focusing on quality education, gender equality, clean water, and sanitation. I just want to inform some of our guests here that the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister have already initiated a great deal towards these very noble causes, and I just feel very privileged to be a part of them as far as Swachh Bharat campaign is concerned, the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign is concerned, and the presence of education amongst our younger generation. The speaker before me talked a lot about youth and how they need to be inspired and how they're going to be leading the country forward. I take strong exception to that because, you know, some of the oldies can also do some work. And if any time you will require my services, I shall be more than happy to be a part of that. Once again, thank you so much for having me here. And I reiterate my commitment to this wonderful cause and any other action that I need to do to gain those social currency points for the show on the 19th of November. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's truly an honor and a pleasure to be part of this movement. What Gandhiji said is so true, that be the change that you want to see. And I think that each one of us can at least change yourself. And that itself is such a big force in changing the world. I think a bulk of India's population is youth today, and the youth in India is full of energy, full of love, full of positivity. And I think there is huge potential for all of us to be in this together, to bring about this change. I pledge my commitment to this movement, and I'll be a part of it until we actually do achieve all the goals that we have set out to. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'll keep it short. Everyone said so much. The reason that we're all gathered here today is to make a difference now. We keep making promises to each other at dinner tables, at gala dinners that was mentioned, putting on a black tie, opening our pockets sometimes and taking out, writing a check and sending out, but nobody really actually takes that step. But I think with Global Citizen India and so many wonderful people associated with it across the globe, I think this is the time, and the time is now. So, I think this is what we're all doing.
जिसकी आंखों में है जगमगाती हुई जैसे गहरी शराफत की एक रोशनी, जिसके अंदाज में एक तहजीब है, जिसके लहजे में नरमी है, शब्दों में तमीज़ है, जिसके दिल में भी और जिसकी बातों में भी औरत के वास्ते पूरी इज़्ज़त भी है, पूरा आदर भी है, जिसको औरत के जीवन का तन मन का सम्मान है, औरत के आत्मसम्मान का जिसको हर एक पल ध्यान है, जो कभी एक पल भी नहीं भूलता, औरत इंसान है, जिसमें अपनी भी पहचान है, जिसमें हिम्मत भी है, जिसमें शक्ति भी है, जिसमें गौरव है, आत्मविश्वास है, जो अगर साथ है, जो अगर पास है, उसके होने से औरत को अपनी सुरक्षा का एहसास है। जो औरत का एक सच्चा साथी है, एक दोस्त है, एक हमदर्द है, सच तो ये है, वही मर्द है। Thank you. Global Citizen India is doing something unique. It is offering us a platform wherein our individual efforts and voices can combine together to push for collective action. Offering the global goals as a roadmap not only encourages for collective action within the country, but across the world. And it is this collective merged action that can truly make a difference. Global Citizen India has adopted the goals of gender equality, quality education, and water sanitation and hygiene. I am passionate about change, and the main thing is that change must happen wherever it can. While we keep seeking infrastructural change, which is critical, we also need to focus and understand that ultimately, generational change can only happen through awareness and behavioral change. This platform recognizes that, and I'm happy to offer my contribution in a comprehensive and sustaining manner for as long as it is needed by you.
Congratulations to Global Citizens. Welcome. And I would like to offer all support from Government of Maharashtra. Let's come together and let's make this event a huge success. Thank you. धन्यवाद.
ये पैरामीटर्स देखिए, इसको निर्धारित नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप देश के लिए काम करते हैं तो आप ग्लोबल सिटीजन हैं.
और कितना बदलाव इससे आ सकता है?
प्रयत्न तो यही है, जैसा मैंने बताया कि सन 2030 तक भारत जो है वो गरीबी से मुक्त हो जाए.
That's a powerful speech. You very rightly said that it's very intrusive when people come and ask if it is a boy or a girl. When a celeb like you is asked such questions, what hope does a common woman of India have? And when do you see this mentality changing?
But that's why I think that if I have that power, अगर मुझ में एक ऐसी ताकत है कि लाइफ के इस मोड़ पे मैं आकर एक मंच पे I can give a statement and speak a few words which can, help a little bit of a change in our society. I think it'll make me happy. It'll make all of us happy. Women should take inspiration that no matter what stage of your life you are at, if you're doing good, if you're happy, if you're pursuing your dreams, you should follow it.
मीटिंग क्या होगी? कोई एक काम हमने एक बीड़ा उठाया है, वो संपूर्ण हो गया, वो सफल हो गया, तो इस बात की हमें खुशी है.
तो जो आप जिस कॉज के साथ आप जुड़ी हैं, ऑन अ वेरी ग्रास रूट लेवल, कभी आपने अपने सराउंडिंग में आपने कुछ ऐसा कुछ कैसे किया हो? एनी यू हैव इंस्पायर्ड पीपल. डू यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग लाइक दैट प्लीज?
Well, I work very closely with UNICEF, and I have gone personally myself to places in Rajasthan and the rural places to actually see where the children actually want to educate themselves in secondary schools, that there are setups over there where they actually want to continue their education but don't have the opportunity to do so. And I have spoken to so many girls from small little villages in Rajasthan where I think their major concern was that if there is, जैसे मिस्टर बच्चन ने भी कहा अपने स्पीच में, कि अगर फैमिली में एक लड़का हो या लड़की को घर पे बिठा देते हैं और लड़के को स्कूल भेज देते हैं, and they have related incidents, and that's why children like girl children run away from homes, child marriages take place. So all these things I have personally seen, and that's why I work closely with UNICEF to try and change and bring about a change in if I can help in any which way.